In this video, I'm diving deep into QtPass, a lightweight and open-source password manager built on top of QPG. From the moment you open the app, you'll notice the simple, no-frills interface. It's not trying to be flashy. It's designed for functionality, and it delivers just that. One of QtPass's key strengths is that it stores your password securely using GPG encryption. That means you're in full control of your data, which is a major win for anyone who values privacy and security. Setting it up is straightforward if you're already familiar with GPG keys. If not, there's definitely a learning curve, and that's one of the first drawbacks I want to highlight. The software assumes a certain level of technical knowledge, and that might be intimidating to less experienced users. But once configured, you can quickly create, edit, and retrieve passwords using your private key. It integrates with Pass, the standard Unix password manager, which gives it solid compatibility on Linux and macOS systems. QtPass also allows directory-based organization, meaning you can structure your credentials logically, very useful for developers or sysadmins managing dozens, or even hundreds of logins. You could also sync your password store using Git, making it possible to share access with a team or keep backups. It's not designed for cloud storage in the conventional sense, and that's by design. It's meant to avoid centralized control or cloud dependency, which is a huge plus for people concerned about surveillance or data breaches. The interface may feel dated, and some features like autofill or browser extension support are notably absent. That's something to keep in mind if you're coming for more polished, commercial tools like 1Password or Bitwarden. QtPass is very bare bones, but it's stable, and it works reliably once everything is set up. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. One nice feature is the cross-platform support. QtPass runs on Windows, macOS, and Linux. So if you use multiple operating systems, you can keep everything synced and consistent across all your devices. But remember, there's no mobile app, which might be a deal breaker for users who need access on the go. You'll need to use something like Termux or a shell-based pass manager if you want to use it on Android or iOS. Another issue is the lack of user-friendly recovery options. If you lose your GPG key or forget your passphrase, your passwords are gone. There's no forgot password option, and no company to call for support. That's both a strength and a weakness: total privacy, but also total responsibility. Overall, QtPass is ideal for tech-savvy users who want full control over their password data without relying on proprietary platforms. It's not flashy, but it's reliable, customizable, and secure. If you're willing to put any effort to set it up, it becomes a powerful and private tool for managing credentials. If this review helped you understand QtPass better, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future reviews like this one.